Welcome to this tutorial on how to export data from Wally, a popular personal finance management tool. Exporting your data is a crucial step in analyzing and utilizing your financial information. In this guide, we will walk you through the process step by step. First, log into your Wally account and navigate to the dashboard. From here, click on the settings icon, which is usually represented by 3 dots or a gear symbol. This will open a drop-down menu where you can select the export option. Next, choose the type of data you want to export. Wally allows you to export various types of data, including transactions, accounts, and budgets. Select the type of data that is relevant to your needs. Now, select the date range for which you want to export the data. You can choose a predefined range, such as last month or last year, or specify a custom range. Make sure to select the correct date range to ensure you export all the necessary data. After selecting the data type and date range, choose the format in which you want to export the data. Wally supports various formats, including CSV, Excel, and PDF. Choose the format that is most convenient for you to work with. Once you have made your selections, click on the Export button. Wally will then generate the export file and make it available for download. Depending on the size of the file, this may take a few seconds or minutes. Finally, download the export file and save it to your computer. You can now use this data to analyze your financial information, create reports, or import it into other financial management tools. Best practices for exporting data from Wally include regularly exporting your data to ensure you have a backup, using the correct date range to avoid missing important data, and choosing the correct format to make it easy to work with the data. Additionally, make sure to keep your export files secure to protect your financial information. In conclusion, exporting data from Wally is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By following this guide, you can easily export your financial data and use it to make informed decisions about your money. Remember to always keep your data secure and up to date to get the most out of Wally and other financial management tools.